I'll tell you what, insurance is something a lot of people think about. It's not something we all want to deal with all the time, but we're going to deal with it this morning. Michael McLean is here. You're the president and CEO of McLean Insurance in the Perth area, right? That's where you hang your hat?
Absolutely.
You're also known as the No BS Insurance Guy.
I sure am.
What do you mean by... Where does all of that come from? What's the idea?
That's a tagline that I picked up a couple of years ago. I've been in the business for 7 years now, but no BS means that we've been able to make insurance simple and easy for people, because people don't want to be bothered with insurance. So by making it simple and easy, that's the tagline that I've been able to acquire.
Yeah, it seems to me that when it comes to insurance, it's tough for people in the insurance industry to convince people to sit down for an hour or two and figure it all out.
Absolutely.
Yeah. What's going on with the insurance business? You were telling me, we were talking earlier, that in the last 6-7 years or so, insurance rates have really taken a big jump.
Yeah, 6 years ago, insurance rates went right through the roof. They've come down since, and now in the next 12 to 18 months, people are going to be faced with opening up that renewal on their home or car and seeing up to a 30% increase. So now we're starting to see what's called a hard market, which means your insurance rates are going up dramatically. People are starting to see 5, 10, 15, 20, 25% increases and not having a claim in the last year.
What kind of insurance are we talking about? All insurance?
We're talking
auto,
home, auto, business, everything across the board.
Why is it going up, Michael?
There's two major factors, and that is the insurance companies, their investments are the same as a lot of people. They're not getting the return that they used to, and claims, both property and auto, are way up. So the companies are having to pay more money out, and they're not getting the investment return. So consequently, that's passed on to the consumer, and that's where a guy like myself comes in.
So the big insurance companies aren't making enough money? Is that the problem?
Maybe that's the message. I'm not sure, but that's where having an insurance broker is a valuable thing.
As a broker, you're looking for the best deal for your client.
That's right. As an insurance broker, as an example myself, we represent 11 major companies in Ontario. So I work on the consumer side of things, and I represent the client. So I shop the market for them, and I take the headaches out of it. And my job is simply to protect their assets and get it at the best value. Not necessarily the cheapest price, but the best value.
Right. I mean, you talk about the cheapest price, and sure, you want to pay as little as you possibly can, but you got to have the coverage.
Yeah, there's two sides, actually 3 sides to value, and that is, number one, people want 3 things. They want to make sure that they've got the right protection at the right place. That takes an expert. And they also want the right price for that value. And the last thing is they want service. People are really, I notice in our business, they want to go back to almost the 70s, where people answer the phone live, they can call at any time and get a person, and people get back to them. They return the phone calls. A lot of the people that call our office are just dissatisfied, not with price, but just with the service they're getting.
Right. So
we really emphasize that.
Yeah. You're right. Most of the time you give these guys a call and you're on an automated voice messaging system. If it's on a weekend, you're in trouble because you're not going to be able to talk to somebody.
Absolutely. I mean, it's like email and voicemail. It's like people are almost hiding behind them, and the bigger the company, the worse it is.
Yeah.
So we a year ago, we started answering our phones 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it's been a big plus because people work at different times, and they don't want to call an office at 5:15 on the way home and get voicemail.
No.
So we just eliminated that and started answering our phones with live people.
It's bad enough in off hours when you need to talk to your insurance agent. Obviously, something's happened.
That's right.
So that's enough stress on people, let alone not being able to contact anyone. What is the best advice you can give for people who who want to improve their insurance or want to make some changes? What's the best way to go?
The best advice I can give people is to use an insurance broker, whether that's myself or somebody else. It does not matter. An insurance broker gives the person a choice, and you can shop around. Now is not the time to be on the internet representing yourself as an insurance expert. So most of the time you can employ a broker for the same price as you would going online doing it yourself, but you need somebody who can shop your insurance and get you the best value.
Yeah, simple.
Critical.
As that, yeah.
When you open up that renewal and it's up 25%, that's the time that you need somebody working on your behalf.
Are there ways to beat that?
There's definitely ways, but the biggest thing is competition. You've got hundreds and hundreds of insurance companies, so put the market to work for you.
Excellent stuff. Michael McLean is the No BS Insurance Guy. Good to have you here. Thanks for your time.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it. Going to head right back to Golf Town. Angie Poirier is